If you are in the scene and you do want to do something with it long term, you have to put the hours in, you have to put everything into it.
Todos nós que participamos dessa comunidade maravilhosa do Rainbow Six Siege, todos nós que batalhamos por estar aqui, o merecimento foi através de todo o nosso amor, toda a nossa dedicação.
Back when I started, I did have to fight my way in, but I knew that I had the experience and the knowledge to make it, and I proved myself, and things have changed. Focusing on the Siege has allowed me to see the details in the game, but also in everything else in my life, because of how detailed it is. It is very much a metaphor for it.
Minha trajetória começou com uma simples brincadeira, né? Porque trabalho e no meu tempo livre eu acabei criando esses conceitos. Começo como uma brincadeira e depois eu levei bem a sério após ver que a Ubisoft realmente abraçou a ideia. Família Rainbow Six foi o que me fez hoje como um designer reconhecido pelo que eu faço.
A interação que a gente tem no dia a dia, acho que faz isso acontecer. A gente vê que o trampo da pessoa é bom, a gente vai tentar ajudar da forma que a gente pode.
Have you seen what cosplayers do? How amazingly committed they are? I am so full of respect at what they do, that they've taken something they like and turned it into a more kind of tangible thing in different media. I'm astonished by it, and I'm constantly surprised. It's a beautiful, incredible thing.
When you start walking through the crowd and people tell you look great, it's a special feeling because you put a lot into a cosplay. You put a lot of money, time, just like your blood and sweat, honestly, into it. It also helps if you're having trouble with your self-confidence. Cosplay made me stronger in many ways.
Cosplay is nothing you can buy outside, out of a shop. So you have to alter, you have to do the patterns, you have to sew the whole thing, you have to forge it. So it's work like 2, 3, 4 months going into a character.
I've made a lot of meaningful encounters, some that sort of inspire me to always get better at the game and always be the best. Fans can inspire me sometimes, especially the Japanese fans that show me a lot of respect and just treat me so well, and that just makes me want to keep getting better.
今までは6インビテーショナルはテレビでしか見てなかったので、6インビテーショナルは参加するもんだと1年前は思わなかったのが正直な気持ちです。なんでもうここに来てからはもうそうですね、ファンなんですかね、アメージングな出来事ばっかりで、ただただ感動しています。私の夢はワールドコンペティションでチャンピオンになることです。
Só não desiste do que você faz, não desiste do que você quer fazer. O sonho pode demorar, mas ele com certeza vai vir.
No matter what it is, no matter what action it is, if someone is able to do it in the world, what sets them apart? Guess what? It's their work, it's their dedication.